What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great, you are all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. And this video I'm going to review a product from an amazing niche house. This is a house which is once again criminally underrated. This house have amazing perfumes to offer, but I don't know why not most of people are talking about it. And here I'm talking about the house known as Amouroud, and in this video I'm going to review their perfume called Silver Birch. And I love this brand, I love this house. I think I have like around 6 or 7 perfumes from Amouroud. And let me tell you something about Amouroud. Amouroud is a brand owned by the Perfumers Workshop Limited, and the Perfumers Workshop Limited are the same people who made that very famous classic perfume called Tea Rose. I'm sure if you guys are from late 70s, early 80s or early 90s, you must have heard about that perfume, Tea Rose. That perfume was very famous. It was like a cult kind of perfume. So the same people with an amazing brand called Amouroud. So let's start our review. And we will start with the presentation first. So you'll get this perfume in this simple white glossy box with this golden corners, and then you will find this beautiful metallic plate here with the logo and name of the perfume engraved in black. So this is Amouroud Silver Birch. And then you will not find anything on the sides, and then in the back you will find once again the logo. On the top you'll get the logo of the Perfumers Workshop Limited, and then all the details, your batch code, everything is in the bottom. So this is about the box, and now let me show you the bottle. So bottle is beautiful and very unique here. You get your perfume in this beautiful bottle. The bottle is with tapered edges. You can see the shape of the bottle. It's round with these cuts around it. Once again, the metallic plate with the brand and the name of the perfume. The cap here is made of metal. It's very heavy with the logo of the Perfumers Workshop Limited here on the top. Once again engraved in black. So metallic cap, very heavy, very nice golden atomizer, and with an amazing fragrance. And then there is something more to show you. And here, these bottles are always coming in these beautiful white velvety pouches. Here they have tried to copy Mancera style. Here you will get this beautiful white pouches made of velvet, and you can see the logo printed here in yellow. Amouroud with this beautiful white tassels. The quality is not as great as Mancera, but still it rocks. It's very nice. So white bottles with white beautiful velvety pouches. So this is Amouroud Silver Birch. So as you can see from the name, it's silver birch. So the birch is something which smells like leather. So something leathery but silver. When it comes with silver, it means it should be something for summers. So so it's a fusion, it's a combination of summer type of scents with some leather. So here, this perfume smells amazingly good. It's really divine. You guys must check it out. Let me give the note breakdown first, and then I will try to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So here in the top you will get fig, cardamom and mandarin orange, and then in the middle you will get papyrus, orange blossom, Egyptian jasmine, and in the base you will get suede leather. There is Bourbon Vetiver and Ylang-Ylang. So beautiful notes breakdown. It's fruity, it's green, a lot of florals, there is leather, vetiver. So this is the notes breakdown, and now I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, beautiful fragrance, smooth blend, leathery, very nice, very warm, with beautiful florals on the top. This is a very interesting composition, or I can say all the fragrances from this house, from the house of Amouroud, they are very interesting. Some of them are very similar to some famous fragrances, but here in the case of Silver Birch, and they have another one which is called Wet Soul. I'm going to review it in the next week. These two fragrances are on the top. So here you will get beautiful salty kind of citruses in the opening. It's salty, it's fruity. There is a note of fig, but fig is not very prominent, but it's there. You can get that fruitiness of figs. then you can get that salty citruses. It's a little bit green because of the use of cardamom, but cardamom is not very prominent. It's about salty citruses with that smooth leather, smooth suede leather, which once again is going to give you that salty leathery kind of vibe here. Then there is a note of papyrus. Papyrus is providing once again that bamboo type of woody pepper type of vibe here. It's a little bit green, little bit peppery kind of vibe. And then there is vetiver, and vetiver is giving that very nice green and woody kind of nuances in this perfume. So cardamom and vetiver is creating that magical little bit green and woody kind of back or base, and then on the top you will get that salty citruses, that beautiful soft suede leather with the note of papyrus, which is somehow give you that peppery and green kind of vibe here. And then you will get very light florals in the middle to the back, and in the florals the most prominent thing here is orange blossom with some touches of jasmine here. So this is how this perfume opens, and then towards the dry down, it's not going to change a lot, but definitely you will experience different phases here. Towards the second phase, it becomes a little bit more green. The green side of this perfume becomes more prominent and more floral. Floral starts to shine here, and you will start to get that beautiful note of jasmine here. You will be enjoying the note of cardamom and the note of papyrus. You will enjoy a little bit vetiver more here towards the second phase. The saltiness will become a little bit light. The leather will be there from start till end, but it becomes a little bit softer. And then in the final dry down, it will be almost similar. It will remain leathery. Fig will become very soft. You will not be able to get fig in the final dry down, but in the final dry down it becomes a little bit more earthy and a bit more smoky. So as compared to the opening, the dry down is a little bit smoky and a little bit more earthy. Towards the earthy side, papyrus become like a little more prominent and vetiver starts to shine more here. So this was about the journey of silver birch from the house of Amouroud. You guys must give it a try if you're looking for something very nice for your summers, and you will be loving it. So if you like that salty citrusy kind of concoctions, if you like leathery scents, if you like suede leather, if you like some citruses, if you like vetiver, if you like cardamom, you are going to love this perfume. So this was about the fragrance of this perfume, and now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So let's talk about the performance. Performance wise, it's amazingly good. 1 day of lasting easily. Start with 6 to 8 sprays and you will be rocking whole day, especially if you're staying indoors. You will be loving it. And now let's talk about the age group. So if you are around the age of 22 plus, then you can rock it easily. For the gender, it's a unisex scent. It's based on suede leather, but trust me guys, ladies, they can still rock it easily. Of course, men are going to like it more, but even ladies, they are going to like it if they like that leathery, citrusy kind of scents. So for me, it's a unisex type of scent, which leans a little bit more towards the masculine side. And now let's talk about the season or weather. This is a perfume you can rock all year around. And now let's talk about the occasion. So this is a perfume which is very versatile. You can use it in your gyms, you can use it in your office, you can use this perfume on daily basis. It smells so good. It's a crowd pleaser kind of scent. People around you are going to like it. And it's very easy to handle kind of scent. So you can use it in your office, in your gyms, in your sports activities. If you're going out, if you're going on a date, rock this perfume and you will be loving it. So no special kind of scenario for this perfume, though it smells niche, though it smells very nice, but it can be used in any kind of scenarios. So this was about the occasion, and now let's talk about the main thing, which is the price. So you will get this perfume in 100 ml quantity with Parfum concentration, and here you will get 67% alcohol volume, which means the quantity of oil used in this blending is around 33%. 33% of oil is used in this blend, and the current price inside UAE is around 320 UAE dirhams in the grey market. I'm not talking about retailers. In the grey market, it's like around 320, 330 UAE dirhams. And for that kind of price tag, this is no-brainer. This is precious, and really, trust me guys, this is something you will never regret. So this was about the price, and I hope you like this review. Not much people are talking about this brand nowadays, so I'm trying my best to hype it up, because This house and these fragrances are really worth it. Beautiful scents. So this was Silver Birch from the house of Amouroud. I hope you like this review. I hope you like this perfume. So until the next video, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye. I'm going to catch you in my another great product. Take care.